How old is your water heater and why should you care? As a condition of your insurance policy renewal, homeowners insurance companies are requiring that water heaters nearing 15 years old or already 15 years old be replaced. How do you find out how old your water heater is? In this particular case, I am using the information sticker on an A.O. Smith water heater, and that's simply because A.O. Smith is the most commonly used brand of water heaters in residential homes. So from this example, right above my head, you can see the serial number. It says 0944. 09 is the year that this particular water heater was manufactured, and 44 was the week within that year. This water heater, because it was manufactured in 2009, is 15 years old. This homeowner would most likely have to replace their water heater as a condition of their homeowner's insurance renewal. There are several different kinds of serial numbers for A.O. Smith water heaters. Each is interpreted differently to find out the year your water heater was manufactured. If you would like me to send you that link so you can find out how old your water heater is, comment below and I will send that to you.